I want to record this video for our people in Dangriga, for our Redentorist community in Dangriga. My name is Rodolfo García, I am a Redentorist priest. And definitely some of my best experience that I have in my life, I live in Dangriga, Belize, with all our people of the Catholic Church. Well, it's the time that the other people is there, they are working hard, they are doing their effort, and I know that you are supporting them. I know that we are living this difficult time. You in Belize, I'm in Guatemala, other people in US and around the world. But from here, a message of hope, a message of love, of peace for everybody in Dangriga, Belize who will watch this video. Lidan liri uguchili, luma yirahu, luma afru gunfuliti, itarala. Waguchi Búngiu, lira sunfulan, yubira barro en agua, apiuro ala, leva bucero, lira lua, lira sunfulan, lira lua, lira sunfulan, Waguchi Búngiu, lira sunfulan, yubira barro en agua, apiuro ala, leva bucero, lira lua, lira sunfulan, lira lua, lira sunfulan. Waguchi serve, ini ukwalabiri, chulula bariakabon, aduga wala babu seruno boga ukes, la tugu ni waseri, rubun wen fengo unyine to lanina sagu weju, ferudun be wachara keisi ferudun wamania ha achara rubanya won, bigire ba walun bigadun lida, waguchaguni wa memege, safaba walida in sukuriban, itarala. Waguchi Búngiu, lira sunfulan, yubira barro en agua, apiuro ala, leva bucero, lira lua, lira sunfulan, lira lua, lira sunfulan. Itarala. For all the people in Dangriga, Belize that we love from the Redentorist community, every time present in our prayers. Let us pray each other in this difficult moment that the world is living, but we are not alone. God is with you, God is with us. Have a happy Holy Week. Sereme.